Here's our two little piggies. White one is a landrace, and he is Jiggity Jig. And the red one is a Duroc. His name is Jiggity Jog. We're going to fatten them up over the summer and fall. They're there in their new home. That's a Duroc cake. That's a Cheetos cake. All those red cakes that look like that, they're called Durocs, and those little kind of pinky white ones are called landrace.
You trying to do?
This one's going to be trouble right here.
And that's how you do it. How to catch a pig.